Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we will learn about 8051 pins. 8051 comprises of 40 pins. Let's see the description of each pin. Pin number 1 to pin number 8. These pins are dedicated for port 1. This port doesn't serve any other function. The port has internally pulled up. It can be configured to interface any input or output devices. Coming to the pin number 9, the pin is a reset pin. It is one of the important pin whenever microcontroller is stuck up, then this reset pin is used to reset the microcontroller to its initial value. Pin number 10 to pin number 17, these pins are known as port 3 pins. This port serves special functions like interrupt, timer input, control signal, serial communication signal, read and write signal for external RAM. Similar to port 1, it is also internally pulled up. It can be configured as bidirectional I/O port. Coming to the pin number 18 and 19, these pins are used for interfacing an external crystal. Pin number 20 provides ground to the microcontroller. Coming to the pin number 21 to pin number 28, these pins are dedicated for port 2. It serves as general purpose interface to I/O devices. Apart from that, it also serves the higher order address bus signals. Similar to port 1, it is also internally pulled up. The port can be configured to interface input as well as output devices. Pin number 29 is PSEN pin, which stands for Program Store Enable. It is used to read a signal from external program memory. So, a notable point is that PSEN pin is a pin used to read a signal from external program memory. Pin number 30 is EA pin. EA stands for external access. It used to enable or disable the external memory interface. Pin number 31 is ALE pin. ALE stands for address latch enable. It is used to demultiplex address and data signals from the port. Pin number 32 to pin number 39, these pins are dedicated for port 0. It serves as input-output port. Lower order address bus and data bus signals are multiplexed on this port. Unlike to the port 0, port 0 requires external pull-up network for its proper interfacing. The port can be configured to interface input device as well as output device. The last pin is pin number 40. This pin is used to provide power supply to the circuitry, which means that a positive supply should be given onto this pin. Normally, we used to supply plus 5 volt on this pin. Thank you.